para po sa Tatay Digong for Inday Sara Movement 2028 at pati na rin po para sa Kampilan sa Cebu.
Maraming salamat, Kairek. Ito pinaka-idol namin sa Cebu. Tapang, no? Anyway, kami po sa Duterte Riders Team Philippines ay patuloy naming lalaban ang hustisya para kay Tatay Digong. Alam natin na masakit sa ating Pilipino ang ginawa nila para kay Tatay Digong. Kahit nagmahal ngayon ng gasolina para sa mga riders, voluntary po namin ipaglaban ang hustisya para kay Tatay Digong. At ako din ay nagpapasalamat kay Secretary Jing Paras na pinagkaloob sa akin maging presidente ng Tatay Digong for Inday Sara Movement. Kasi po, kami sa Cebu ay may boses, lahat kami ng Cebuano ay lalaban para kay Inday Sara Duterte for 2028. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Patuloy ang laban natin para kay Tatay Digong at para kay Inday Sara Duterte. Maraming salamat.
Moses, tumawid ng disyerto, umabot sa Cebu. Kasama ang mga riders. Hinapol ng panahon. Ikaw ang pambansang loyal, ha? Sa pangalan pa lang, loyal na KPL. Mga kababayan, mula po sa Masbate at Kabikulan, ang ating Mayor Inday Sara for supporters for the Philippines. Kung sino po magsasalita, please come forward.
My profound respect to the master of the ceremony, Kay Eric Celes,
Paglagyan ng bata.
to the organizers of this forum. Hindi ko na lang po tag-isa-isahin. Sa lahat ng mga attendees ngayon, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I suppose much has been said about the wisdom of Tatay Digong, about the wisdom of Inday Sara, BP Inday Sara. Ako po, bilang representante ng Miss Masbate, Mayor Inday Sara supporters for Masbate, ang masasabi ko lang po, ang grupo namin na galing sa Masbate ay magsusuporta ng full support sa battle cry nitong samahan na tapang at malasakit.
Yes.
We understand na sa mga taga-Masbate na ang tapang at malasakit ay hindi magiging matapang kung wala ang kampihan. Ano? Hindi kampihan? Kampilan. Because we understand that ang kampilan ay sandata na upang labanan ang katiwalian ng presenting administrasyon, katiwalian ng korupsyon at saka hindi pagrespeto ng mga umiiral na batas ng ating sorry sir, because I am a vernacular speaker. I am a Masbateño and Bisaya. Nahirapan po ako magtagalog.
Yes, ganyan.
Ang kampilan po, as we understand, ay ito ang instrumento na dapat natin gamitin upang labanan itong mga katiwalian sa ating nasod Pilipinas. You know, ang tapang, as we understand, na mga taga-Miss Masbate ay kailangan para mag-succeed itong battle cry ng ating grupo na tapang at malasakit. Because ang organisasyon po o yung advocacy will never succeed, I understand, kung wala po tayong sandata na dapat labanan. Pero itong sandata ngayon na ginagamit natin, hindi kapariho ng mga high-tech na sandata na ginagamit sa gira sa Middle East. Ito po ay sandata ng pagkakaisa, pagkakaisa na pagsuporta sa ating Tatay Digong at Inday Sara. My friends, at saka yung mga kasamahan ko dito, gusto ko po marinig ang sigaw ng aking mga kasamahan from Miss Masbate. If they are really, kung kami talaga ay susuporta sa advocacy na ginagawa ng mga organizers nitong forum na ito. Gusto nila po marinig ang inyong sigaw.
Yes!
Mga kasamahan, lastly, mabuhay and God bless one and all.
Maraming salamat po mula kay dating board member, Deputy Secretary General ng Miss Masbate, Mayor Inday Sara, supporters Philippines na nakabase sa Masbate at Bicol. Of course, last 2 or last 3, mga kababayan, gusto niyo bang marinig daw si Ma'am Roseni o si Gadun? Hindi po si Larry. Pagpipilian nila, they will represent mula po sa hanay ng Kabisayaan, sa area po ng Samar, Aklan, Kalibo, and Boracay, Inday Cares, Panay Island. Walang iba kundi si Miss Rosini o kung sino man ang kanilang representative. Please come over. Andiyan na, si Rosini.
Thank you kayo. Naiiyak ako. It's so overwhelming. Yung lahat ng supporters today, and I cannot, I thought it's you. Never one from the supporters today. When it comes to Tatay Digong, umiyak talaga ako. Narinig ko na lahat ng sinabi, pero ayaw ko nang magsalita against the administration. What I'm going to say today is kung bakit ako nandito at kung bakit habang buhay akong tatayo at makipaglaban sa mga Dutertes. Why I stand with the Dutertes? Why do I stand so firmly behind former President Rodrigo Duterte? To answer that, you have to remember the Philippines before 2016. For too long, our nations felt adrift. Study stagnant and decisive, and hesitant to confront the interests of the powerful and untouchables. At alam niyo kung sinong mga yon. I fight for the legacy of Tatay Digong because he was the first leader to truly speak the language of the street. He didn't just offer platitudes. He acted with an iron will. At alam natin yon. He took on the drug menace that was destroying our families and he claimed the safety of our communities. Supporting him was never just about one man. It was about a movement that finally brought the provinciano and the common citizen into the halls of Malacanang. And I am personally proud of it. Ewan ko sa inyo. For sure, all of you are proud na proud din. But a legacy is only as strong as its endurance. We cannot afford to slip back into the era of traditional politics and half measures. This is why I am fully committed to the presidential bid of Vice President Sara Duterte. Are you agree? Are you agree? Yes! Parang kulang ang pinakain sa inyo. Agree! Inday Sara carries the Duterte name, but she leads with her own unique strength. We watched her turn Davao City into the powerhouse of Mindanao, and we see that same discipline today in her national leadership. She represents the perfect evolutions of leadership. Her father's legendary toughness, tempered by a modern strategic vision. That's Inday Sara. She has proven she can lead with a heart for the poor while maintaining the strict discipline required to keep a nation orderly. Supporting VP Sara is about safeguarding our progress. It is about ensuring the build spirit lives on, that our national sovereignty remains non-negotiable, and that our fight against crime and insurgency never wavers. In an increasingly unstable world, we cannot afford a leader who blinks in the face of pressure. We need a president with the courage to make the hard choices, even when they offend the elites. Sara Duterte possesses the DNA of a patriot and the hands-on experience to steer our ship of state through any storm. Again, are you agree? Agree! I stand by the father because he proves that change is possible. I stand with the daughter because she has the vision to lead us forward. In the Dutertes, we find a leadership that refuses to back down. A leadership that puts the Filipino people first, always. Alam natin yan. During the COVID, kung wala si Tatay Digong, patay na tayo. Look what's happening right now. Pinabayaan lang tayo, nagkagera-gera na, tumaas ang gasolina. Walang trabaho, pero nasaan sila? Actually, nag-reduce flat out ako because I don't wanna see, I don't wanna read anything. Pabalik-balik na lang. Tapang na nasimulan tuloy-tuloy para sa bayan. That's the legacy of the Dutertes. Maraming salamat po. I wish you so much, Tatay Digong! Let's bring him back!
Maraming salamat sa madamdaming pahayag mula sa leader ng Kampilan sa Kabisayan, partikular sa Aklan, Kalibo, Antique, Capiz at sa mga iba pang bahagi ng Panay Island.